Hi everyone. Are you feeling unsure about how to calculate your end of service benefits? Maybe you had questions like, am I being paid fairly? How do I figure out my gratuity? Don't worry. You are in the right place. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about end of service benefit in the UAE 2024. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out our next videos. Now, let's get started. End of service benefits are more than just calculation. They are your rights and a token of appreciation of your hard work. Let's break it down, these benefits into easy to understand pieces. The key components: gratuity pay, a financial reward for your time and services. First of all, you have to complete 1 year to eligible gratuity pay in the UAE. Then second is your notice period. For if you or your employer skip the notice period, this compensates for that time. Leave salary, payment for any unused annual leave. Then airfare, final airfare entitlement to your home country. Then other dues. This could include pending bonus, allowances, commissions, or any reductions. Each of these plays a crucial role in your final settlement. So we are going to check gratuity calculation. Gratuity is one of the most significant components of your settlement. Here, Here is how it's calculated. For the first 5 years of services, you earn 21 days of your basic salary for each year. Then, for up to 5 years, you get 30 days of your basic salary for every additional year. Let's go through an example to get the clarity. If your basic salary is 10,000 AD and you have worked for 6 years, first 5 year will be 35,000. How? Like 21 into 10,000 divided by 30 into first 5 year, 35. Then the last 1 year will be 10,000. So the last 1 year will be the sixth year will be calculated from 30 days. The total gratuity will be 45,000. See, it's straightforward when you break it down. Now, leave salary calculation. Now, what happens to your unused annual leave? Don't let it go to waste. Here is the formula. Leave salary, monthly basic salary divided by 30 into number of unused leave days. If your contract includes a return air ticket to home country, your employer must honor it. This ensures you can transition smoothly without additional stress unless, of course, you are staying in the UAE for a new job. Only this airfare is available only for termination cases. Then, in the last, not the least, deduction. While you are entitled to many benefits, employer can deduct amounts like loan, advance, or other document liabilities. But remember, any deduction must be transparent and agreed upon in advance. So, final settlement. Final settlement. Put it all together. The final settlement includes gratuity, notice period, leave salary, airfare, other payable amount, and deductions. And by UAE law, your employer must settle this within 14 days of your contract's termination. It's designed to ensure fairness